Before you judge her, listen carefully. She wasn't poor. She wasn't innocent. She had a plan. A plan to find a rich man, to secure her future, to win the game. But she forgot one thing. When you play with power, you are never the only player. Stay with me, because what happened next changed her forever. My name is Ayana. I was 21 when I decided I would never live an ordinary life. I didn't want struggle. I didn't want small dreams. I wanted luxury, travel, status. And I discovered a truth. Connections open doors faster than effort. That's when I began researching sugar daddies. Older, wealthy, powerful men who paid for companionship. I thought I understood the game. I didn't. He wasn't hard to find. A business conference, a luxury hotel lobby. He stood out, not because he was loud, but because everyone listened when he spoke. Late 50s, calm, controlled. Mr. Kareem. I created a coincidence, dropped my pen, apologized, smiled, walked away. Hook planted. The next day he approached me. The game started, or so I believed. Coffee became dinner. Dinner became routine. He never touched me, never pressured me. That made me trust him more. I prefer clarity, he said. I support people I value. I set the rules. No control, no pressure. My independence stays mine. He agreed. Too easily. I thought I was in control. My life changed fast. Designer clothes, monthly allowance, luxury trips. My friends envied me. They thought I was lucky. They didn't know. I had planned this. Every meeting was on my terms. I believed I was winning. But control can be an illusion. Months passed. He never asked for more. He listened to my dreams. You deserve the world, he said. No one had ever said that to me before. I began to feel safe. And comfort is the first crack in caution. One evening he invited me to his home. I hesitated. I respect your boundaries, he said. I went. Dinner was calm, elegant, quiet. No pressure. As I left, he said, "You don't have to be afraid of me." I wasn't afraid. That was the problem. Weeks later, it happened. No force, no demand, just closeness. And a choice. A choice I believed I controlled. I thought my heart was safe. I thought my future was safe. But that night, something changed. Not wrong, just irreversible. After that night, I expected something. Not money, not gifts. Commitment. Maybe I was special. Maybe I was different. That was my mistake. I replaced strategy with emotion. 2 months later, I said it. We should make this real. He looked at me calmly. What do you mean? Marriage, I whispered. Silence. And in that silence, my illusion began to break. He sighed. Ayana, you were never my future. My chest tightened. But I gave you everything, I said. He shook his head. You gave what you chose to give. I left in silence. No screaming, no tears, just realization. I had planned the game. I had set the rules. But I forgot one truth. You can control actions, not feelings. The gifts remained. The clothes remained. The money remained. But something inside me didn't. I saw someone new in the mirror. A girl who thought she was the player, but never understood the game. Dreams are not wrong. Ambition is not wrong. But shortcuts have hidden costs. I thought I was hunting opportunity, but I was bargaining with my own future. And the price was higher than I expected. Know the difference between a choice and a cost. If you believe stories like this reveal hidden truths, subscribe and stay with us. Because some stories entertain, but others wake you up.